Room tour time. We are back at the Bellagio. We are in the Bellagio Tower this time, and we are in a restore room, 24039. I want to show you this room. These used to be called staywell rooms, and then everything was renovated over here, and they now call them restore rooms. So I'm going to show you around, but I'm going to tell you a little bit about how different it is to stay in a restore room. So we're really excited about this. So first, let me pull back. I'll show you that later. There's a massive entryway here and a giant mirror. Wait a minute, let's go here. Here we go, that's better. Giant mirror, massive entryway. So I might as well just take you into the bathroom first, and we'll talk about the restore features while we are in here. So first things first, look at this shower. It's so huge. This is actually the biggest shower I've ever seen in Las Vegas, or anywhere for that matter. So it's a massive walk-in shower with, let's go to the restore features, a vitamin C infused shower head. So that's one thing you're gonna get here. And then this area over here, you can simply dry off right over here. Here's your shower hook. That's how big it is. So that is lovely. You have the dual sinks. You have everything you need here as far as, sink features. Look at these beautiful marble features throughout. And then, you have your toilet area and everything over there. So the restore rooms are 510 square feet, 510. That's a big room. That's another relaxing feature about this room. You have your robes, you have your slippers, and they're right in here where your safe is, and your closet. Let's go through here and check it out. We got two queens. Look how beautiful and calming this is. I'm really glad we got this room at this point in the trip, because staying in a lot of hotel rooms, I don't care where they are, how clean they are, at least for me, they start getting to me. My sinuses, I don't know if it's the carpet, I don't know if it's what it is, but it really things start to bother me. So I'm gonna show you some features in here where this worked out perfectly. And I also wanna say that this was actually kind of an upgrade. We were talking to the front desk, we told them it was a special occasion, and for that, I got a rose. We got a beautiful gift box along with some goodies in there, and we got a $150 resort credit to use while we're here. We just told them the truth. We just got engaged. So, of course, I had to get on here and say that. Let's get back to the room. So one of the things you get with the restore room is this. This is a circadian rhythm light. So there are a lot of different options on here. You can set, let's see, sorry. So you'll be able to set, so this, do you see what it just did there? This thing is gonna simulate daylight. So you can set it to wake you up slowly in the morning. You can probably hear the ocean. I have it set on ocean. But we have different sound features over there. That's also really nice. You can play music over here too if you want to on that. And then before I show you around any more, over here is your air purification system, everybody. Oh my gosh. That excited me when I realized this is where she put us, because I could use a little bit of that right now. What I love about the Bellagio is the beautiful glassware. And here is your ice bucket. I'm gonna pull back. I hope you can see just how huge this room is. 510 square feet is a heck of a lot, and it's at least double what standard hotel rooms are. Here's a little workspace over here, which we always use. We have a mountain view, which we love. We'll take a strip view, but we know what it looks like. So we also can see the entire pool deck from here, and it's so beautiful. And we can't wait to get out and enjoy that tomorrow. We have this beautiful warm orange seating area so we can relax. It's 55-inch TV, I know that for a fact. And then your typical things that, we try not to touch, right? And then you have your wet bar is gonna be back there, your mini bar. We have some reading material here. This is new, I've never seen this. Extraordinary Celebrations. Not sure what it is, we'll have to look at it later. Oh, I also wanna mention the beds in the restore rooms are handcrafted. So that's what separates them from a normal room. So you have size, you have circadian rhythm lighting, you have an air purification system, you have a vitamin C infused shower. You have lots of space. You have a massive shower to shower and dry off in the same space, and you have a beautifully designed bathroom space. If there's anything I missed, I'll put it down below. I don't think there is, but this is your Restore Tower in the Restore Room Bellagio Tower at the beautiful Bellagio, Las Vegas.